So when I finished high school, when I kind of finished high school, I didn't really know what I wanted to do in life.
Basically, I was in a crossroads in my life,
but I didn't really know about the sport program. My grades weren't that great to get into Carleton.
A special mentor of mine told me about ESP, and he said, I think you really should consider university because at this particular time in your life, it might be better suited for you.
Unfortunately for me, I got a phone call from Susan Burkle telling me that I had an opportunity to get into a program.
So this was an opportunity for me to involve myself in school.
Alright, so the program is amazing. Honestly, if I had the ability to do so, I think every university student should go through ESP. Why? Because it's kind of like a transition between high school and university.
I can assure you that once you get into the program, you're going to feel comfortable, you're going to be okay because you know that there are other people who are feeling the same with the other people in the program.
There's all this help, there's the mentors, the coaches, the facils, the teachers, the advisors, the peers, they're all amazing. So it's just a matter of reaching out for me that helped me stay within the program and stay in school and continue on.
I'm doing criminology and criminal justice with a minor in women's studies.
And I'm actually the current Vice President Internal for CUSA. So if you ever have any more questions, you can always come by the office. My office is always open.